So my name is Miroslav and I'm a team leader in Software Center. I work with engineering AI-based systems. The main focus of what we do is essentially the AI-driven software engineering 3.0. What we do is we help the developers, architects, designers to develop software together with all kinds of armies of bots that are driven by AI. They are called agents, they are called generative AI, they are called co-pilots. But by the end of the day, what they do is they help people to write the software faster, to do it better, and to make sure that the productivity of the European software industry increases and not decreases. Challenge number one is the technology. How can we make sure that we get those AI to understand the specifics of the product or the service that the company does? How do we ensure that the bots that develop software together with software developers understand the customers, the business, and the value that the company provides? Challenge number two is the legal challenge. How do we ensure that when we do generate code, test cases, software architecture, or any kind of artifacts, that we do it in a sustainable, ethical, and legal way? How do we make sure that we don't leak the data about our customers, about our business models, about our patients, all kinds of data to external actors that could use it in a good or a wrong way? Well, we do a lot of kind of projects that I could mention. I'm most proud of the projects that have been running for a long time. So the projects that have been working with introducing generative AI into larger companies, into software development teams. Then we have projects that look into security, how to increase security of software that is being shipped to more and more products to drive more and more services. I'm also proud with projects that we do together with the University Hospital Sahlgrenska that help patients that are really in need of generative and new type of machine learning software that will help the specialists to provide care to even more people. Trend number one is the new technology. We are on the fundamental on the way of fundamentally change the way we develop software that we know already. Generative AI has changed it. We talk about AI assisted software engineering 3.0, army of bots, one developer instead of all teams. The second trend is the technology that will open up for new things. So AI has been an enabler and the driver of this transformation. Now, I think there are other technologies on the verge of that will make AI even more efficient. One of the big showstoppers for AI is the computational power. We cannot create bigger computers. We don't have more data. We cannot consume more energy for AI. We have to do something different. Quantum technology, in one way or another, is going to address some of those problems. But there will also be other solutions. Models like DeepSeeker from China that has shown that it's possible to train models that are as good as the big ones with a fraction of energy that they use are the future. And another trend is also that if we reduce the number of software developers that develop software, we have to address a societal challenge. What are we going to do with all the people that were going through university education in IT, software engineering, computer science, information systems? They will quickly need to be experts. They have to work with other fields. They have to be expert in IT and expert in mechanical engineering, in medicine, in pharmacology, all other domains where AI can help, but requires a bit of nudge of software engineers.